Greetings, friends, and welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. For a safe journey, remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench, and please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
We're headed down to the
Service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures. From the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with designated families like goats, sheep, and more. Sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers.
Also, be sure to check out the Animation Experience station, where you can
Learn to draw your favorite Disney characters, inspired by live animals, from one of our animators.
I don't actually look it up, I just hear it on the radio, and I memorized it.
The tradition of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation, to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day.
As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch,
Keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more.
Was that Lion's Rock up there?
Yes, that is their, if you want to call it Fried Rock, yes.
That's where they sit.
Yes.
Son of a gun. And backstage is just right behind it.
Yep.
Wow, I would have never guessed.
That's where they have to go.
Wow. Way cool.
Yeah, you get to see some cool stuff when you're on the train.
Yeah. I saw the rocks and I said, boy, that looks like where the lions hang out.
Sometimes you can't see lions up there though.
Yeah.
They like to watch the train and roar at it.
Aha.
In the morning they'll roar at us because we're waking them up. I mean, I'm not saying I'm upset about them. I like hearing the lion roar, but you know, they need their 20 hours of views lately.
Yeah, I can hear the train from Asia, but I can't hear it as much. I hear the whistle. And I'll also introduce you to Kermit the Frog. We have a frog named Kermit.
Okay.
I know there's a tiger named Nala, so.
Yeah, she's cool. She's a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves her.
did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world in their own surroundings. And that is what
No cheetahs back there right now though.
Yeah, but there were 3 rhinos there, like, cool.
There's been 4 or 5 that sit back there now. Because I think it's around the time of day where they start going in, so they're ready.
Oh, wow, white rhino building.
Yep.
How many rhinos you got?
We got white rhinos, and I think we got black rhinos too. Two different kinds.
Timbo House. Wow.
Then we got elephants, but no elephants back there right now.
So this is actually Animal Kingdom backstage.
Conservation Station at Rafiki's Planet Watch. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back
They've all got to be hurricane
and
proof,
avoid
too.
leaning out toward the
Yes,
railing.
they are. Category 5 rated.
Stormproof.
The train
Yep.
comes to a complete stop.
I actually,
And please be
go
sure to
down that
watch your
road.
children
That's where the
as you
conservation program still is.
Ah, down there?
Where all the people that talk about what the next conservation mission is going to be are and how to make the program work better.
Any chance you could influence them to get some lion cubs?
Say what?
I'll see what I can do.
You know, we got a female lion, we got a male lion. Like, people keep telling me they're cousins. But, you know, if they're really that endangered, like, let's get some babies. I just want to see some lion cubs.
That'd be cool.
I have to check if it's in the stud book for the AZA. That's a real thing.
Oh, baby. Wow. There were 3 rhinos there, like, cool.
There's been 4 or 5 that says back there now.